Hi, this is Quan speaking. This video is for my PIDP 3240, Assignment 5. Cloud is never some unusual thing. In a clear day, when you look up, you always see blue sky with lots of cloud. My video is not about this type of cloud. We're trying to talk about cloud computing. So in a simple word, cloud computing is somehow connect all different type of devices around the world to a centralized server. And as an end user, you don't necessarily know where the server is. That's why people name it cloud. It existing somewhere in the world. You don't need to know. Simple use case could be you upload your file or folder to a cloud storage, which make your file be accessible anywhere in the world. As long as you have a network connection, you can get access to your file. In another word, cloud is not only about that. Cloud also could relate it to different type of devices, different type of networking, and also among the connection between subsets of those. Cloud not just for files. As you can see, it could be music, video, conversation, email, maybe pictures. You can also do searching, online shopping, and connection with Wi-Fi, different type of connection. Cloud is not only for sharing a file or any content with yourself or someone else. It's also related to link together for all different type of devices. They have different setup, different platform, but cloud make it happen. So here's are some major providers. First of all, Google Cloud. Google, as the #1 search engine, has humongous user base. Based on that, because everyone knows Google, everyone got easy access, the service will be easy to. Similar, Microsoft also be a major provider. Based on its Microsoft Windows has been used anywhere in the world, the cloud service will be also easy to access. The usage of it will not only be the study, but also we will see different type of devices are using Microsoft Windows, make different type of usage and make everything easier to the user and to the setup. The next one is Amazon Cloud. Its product has a name CloudFront. Amazon as the #1 online shopping website, it needs and they also developed a really strong advanced infrastructure to serve that for people doing their online shopping from different devices, and also they make their infrastructure to be as products for other business owner to leverage on, either small business or big business. Behind the screen, whenever you have an app or you're providing some online services, behind the screen you will have the basic setup for your product in the sense of online services. So whenever you have an app or online microservice, you will always need database to store your information, to store your data. Along the side, you need to have a server which serve those online requests. The idea here is by using the graph of a bucket, that's your user data entry. So people put in data into it and go through the channel, put it to the server, and the server will store it in the database. When clients access the server can respond with necessary information. But here's the thing, when your application getting bigger and bigger, and say more and more be more scalable, when you have more and more end user or clients, you have more input data, you need to have more server, you need to have more database, which might give you a nightmare, because that drag you away from your core business logic of your application. You spend too much effort on the infrastructure side, but it's not really help you to solve all the issue, and you've been so busy as a firefighter. But then how we can make it better with any Amazon service, we could have this additional piece as a middleware. So what we're trying to go through is based on the example of Amazon, but it's not only for Amazon Cloud. For any cloud computing setup, you can introduce a middleware. In this case, for Amazon, it's called Lambda, to collaborate with multiple databases, and if possible, if applicable, multiple servers, which make everything easier, make everyone happy. The user of the service, also their client, the end user of the service they are providing. Those build up on top of Amazon infrastructure. After that, we can also briefly touch the topic of security. By using cloud, make everything easier, the security should need more attention to make sure the client's information are safe and business data are safe. Here are some of my references, and thank you for watching.